chicken
kind of a
cacciatore,
vibe on that?
kind of a vibe on that. We have our chicken. So we're browning our chicken.
Really fragrant.
Yeah.
It's getting nice and
it's really
crispy.
Nice here. And so chicken comes out of the pan. Okay.
And when I make cacciatore, I do the same thing. Whenever I'm making braised chicken, I prefer just the dark meat.
Yeah, the white meat doesn't braise well either. It gets stringy and dry, and the legs are fine.
Yeah.
Separately, we have our vegetables kind of sweating. Sweating meaning they're kind of simmering a little bit, sizzling a little bit. They're not sort of just kind of not cooking, but they're not browning. So now we take the chicken. And the chicken legs go right on top.
You want me to throw these in this pot, Tom, just to show them what went into the braising pan?
Thank you. Yeah. See, I'm messing up over here.
So
we sweat our vegetables.
Red onion.
There we go.
Sorry, I skipped your. Is it guanciale, pancetta?
Yeah, guanciale, pancetta, whatever kind of meat porky thing you want to put in there.
Celery.
Yep, celery goes in there.
Peppers and fennel. I love that you're using fresh fennel.
Good aromatics, yeah. And then we have salt.
Beautiful.
We have our garlic. Chicken legs go in over the top. And now we're going to build our sauce. So we have a little chicken stock.
A little stock in a box.
Stock in a box is fine. That's what I use at home.
Yeah, you have a go-to.
Yeah.
I mean, when I have time, I make a bunch of stock and I keep it in the freezer. And when it runs out, it runs out. And I use the stock in a box.
A little bit of vinegar.
Little acidity.
A little acidity.
Yep.
And then keeping with our Made in America, this is actually a sauce that I just helped launch.
Look at you!
Look at me on there.
It's his handsome head.
Look at me. When I was growing up, Jersey tomatoes were like a big thing, and we all knew about Jersey tomatoes.
They still are. They're sweet and delicious.
They still are sweet and delicious, but the world needs to know about it. And so they put those great Jersey tomatoes in the sauce.
That's amazing.
And the cool thing about it, no sugar added, very low sodium, really fresh, but it's also, it's not a thick sauce. And so I treat it almost as an ingredient.
Right.
Like, yes, you can put pasta, or when I was growing up, it was macaroni. It wasn't pasta.
Right.
And, but we're going to use it as an ingredient for this dish. Now, we put the tomato in.
You know, Jersey tomatoes are to the U.S. kind of what the San Marzano tomatoes are to Italy. Like, they're really known for their tomatoes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we put the tomato in, a little rosemary, and we have some black olives. Now, this is really important here. You want the chicken to just kind of poke out of the sauce because you want the top. It'll braise from underneath, but this top will stay nice and brown.
Yeah, you want to keep the integrity of the skin.
So we and you could, if this is going to take about 45 minutes in the oven.
You can leave it at a low bubble here or transfer to the oven.
Low bubble here and then transfer to the oven. Yeah.
I think we have one in the oven.
We do. We're gonna go to the oven with this.
Is it too hot? You want to mop it?
Yeah, I'm okay. I think I'm okay.
Okay.
It's not that hot. But this one we'll need
Here, brother.
We'll need mitts for this one.
Oh, right here.
Look at that.
It's got a trivet right up for you.
There we go.
Oh!
There we go.
Touchdown!
So,
is there anything better than crispy potatoes?
No, this is great. Your team said, we have crispy potatoes. What do you think? And I said, well, what do I think?
I think that's a good idea.
I think that's a great idea. Crispy rosemary, a couple potatoes in there, and then we'll dig in here and
look at
get some of that goodness, some of that.
Tom, it's glorious.
Some sauce.
Glorious.
There we go.
What a beautiful, easy dish.